Hello everyone, welcome to your own YouTube channel Study with Rameshwar. So once again we are here with Class 5 Environmental Studies, and today we are going to study about lesson number 8, a treat for mosquitoes. So let's see. So before starting this chapter, first we are going to discuss about the content of the lesson. So first, that is about mosquito repellent, structure of mosquito, communicable and non-communicable diseases, blood test, that is clinical pathology report, life cycle of mosquito, what is malaria, symptoms of malaria, preventive measures of malaria, diagnosis and treatment of malaria, diseases spread by insects, concept of anemia, symptoms and causes of it, and how to diagnose the anemia and preventive measures of it. So in this video we are going to discuss only these two parts, that is about mosquito repellent and structure of mosquito. Okay student, so remaining part one by one we will see in the next part of the video. So these are the important point of this chapter. Means through this chapter we are going to study this much points, okay, and every point is very important, children. So when you are watching this video, you watch it carefully for your better understanding, because this is not only for study purpose but also for in our day-to-day life. These things are helpful for us, so we must learn it carefully. So let's move. So what are the targets of this chapter? So target learning outcome means what we are going to learn and what you must understand. So to know the relationship between stagnant water, mosquitoes, malaria, blood testing, observe the blood report. So you must be able to read the blood report. Means after the completion of this chapter, children, you must be able to read the blood report. Means after your blood test, means if anyone's blood report is there, so you must be able to read it. To know the symptoms of malaria and its prevention. What symptoms are there? Means how you can find out, and for that purpose what you have to do the prevention if you want to save ourselves from the malaria. So what preventive measure we should take. To learn how to save ourselves from getting malaria. To understand the different stages in the life cycle of mosquitoes, and to know about the anemia, its causes and prevention. So this point you must understand after the completion of this whole chapter. Okay children, so this thing you learn it here. Then we are going to see, do you use any of these in your home and what are these? So everybody knows about it and maybe they are using in their home day-to-day life. Na? Everybody is using it for protection purpose or to keep ourselves from mosquitoes away. Everyone is using, yes, use करते हैं ना? Yes. So all these things are known as mosquito repellent. These all are known as mosquito repellent. Repellent मतलब what? To keep the mosquito away from your home as well as from you too. Okay, so what are these? These are the mosquito repellent, children. Okay, that are used to keep ourselves safe from the mosquitoes. So these are the names of it: mosquito coil, then mosquito net, mosquito repellent. That a liquid machines are used. This is the liquid which having the chemical. What do lies them? What do we use them to keep ourselves protect? So one thing I just want to tell here, while using all this mosquito repellent, we should take the precaution. We should take precautions. What kind of precaution? Most of the time what happen, we are when we are sleeping at night, so at that time by mistake or by we forget to just switch off this or just keep up this thing away from your bed. So this thing you should take precaution. Okay, if you are using mosquito, it's a best way. Mosquito net if you are using, it's a best way. But other repellent if you are using, so before the sleeping you just switch off this all this if you are using machine, so you switch off the switch. Okay, because these have chemicals, these are having chemicals also. Okay, so we should take the precaution. You should take precaution, children. Okay, then next point, so mosquitoes. So mosquitoes are flying insect that bite humans and animals and suck their blood. So they are found almost all over the world. They make up the largest class in the animal world and they outnumber all animals. Mosquitoes are flying insect. Mosquitoes are flying insect. Okay, so to stop this from biting us, so what we have to do? So as you know, why do mosquito bite humans? The mosquito, why they bite humans? Some questions are there which we are going to discuss. Do they bite other animals? How does it feel to be bitten by a mosquito? When do they bite you more? Do their bites harm us, and how? So the answer of all this question, they bite for to suck the blood. The mosquitoes biting for to sucking the blood. Yes, the mosquitoes are not biting only for human being, but along with the human being they are bite to the birds as well as animals too. So when the mosquitoes bite you, so how you feel? If mosquito is going to bite you, so it feels like pricking of a needles, जैसे कोई सुई चुभा रहा है ना, so it feels like a pricking of a needles. So mosquitoes are, when they are bite more, so they are mostly active during early morning hours before the sun come up. Morning hours they are more active as compared to other time. So mosquito bites do not causes any lasting harm. They cause mild annoyance and irritation for the short period of a time. If a mosquito is infected, if a mosquito is infected by any disease, then and only then it will cause the disease to others. So mosquito bite to suck the blood. They bite birds and animals also. So when mosquito bites, it pricks like a needles, and mosquitoes are almost active during early morning hours before the sun come up. And mosquitoes bite do not cause any lasting harm, but they cause annoyance and irritation. So this type of things will happen with us. Okay, so then we move to look at this mosquito, the structure of the mosquito. Now we are going to see about the structure of the mosquito. So structure of mosquito, the mosquito body consists of 3 parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. So this body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen, children. Up on the head you are seeing 2 fillers, that is antenna. These are the 2 fillers, and these fillers are called antennae. Plural is antennae. Okay, and single is antenna. The eyes of the mosquito are also situated on the head. And the head has long sucking tube. So this is the head and the long sucking tube, and this tube like structure is known as proboscis. This tube like structure is known as proboscis. Now children, female and male both are having the proboscis. Female mosquito as well as male mosquito both are having proboscis, but the one difference is there. The male mosquitoes also have, but they feed only on nectar and water. Male mosquito feed on nectar and water, but female mosquitoes use this proboscis for sucking the blood. So mosquitoes have 3 pairs of legs, 1, 2 and 3. Means it is an insect family में आता है mosquito. It has 3 pairs of legs, 2 fillers, that is antennae. Body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. The tube-like structure which is helpful for the mosquito to suck the blood, but only female mosquito is using this for sucking the blood, and male are also having the proboscis, but they feed on nectar and water. Okay, so mosquito bite only mosquito which is infected by any disease, and if that infected mosquito is going to bite someone, then and only then the germs are transferred, or germs transmit from one person, or the disease are going to spread from one person to other. Okay, if a infected mosquito is there, if an infected mosquito is going to bite any human, then and only then human will cause any disease. Now different diseases are caused due to the mosquito bite, like yellow fever, then malaria, then dengue, then chikungunya. Okay, so these are the some of the diseases which are caused by the mosquito bite. So I hope up to this about the structure of mosquito and about mosquito repellent you all understand. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and share with your friends, because when you like the video means it inspire me, motivate me to make more videos for you. So your like is motivation for me, students. Your like is motivation for me. So if you have not subscribed this channel, so kindly subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.